You've seen people brag about their crypto gains, others flex their stock portfolios, and some quietly trade currencies from their laptops, making $500 a day. But here's the real question. Which one actually makes sense in 2025? Stocks, Forex, or crypto? The internet's full of hype, but today we're cutting through all that noise. I'll show you which market gives real opportunity, which one's a trap for beginners, and which one's the future of trading. So if you've ever wondered where to put your time and money, this is the video that'll save you months of trial and error. And hey, if you're completely new to trading, go check out my last video, Trading for Beginners. It'll give you the foundation you need before diving deep here.
Part 1. The stock market. The classic player. Let's start with the stock market. The old, reliable veteran. When you buy stocks, you're literally buying ownership in companies like Apple, Tesla, or Microsoft. It's slow, steady, and one of the easiest markets to understand. Pros. Highly regulated, meaning safer for beginners. Tons of educational content available. Long-term growth potential. If you invest smartly, you can grow wealth steadily. Cons. Lower volatility equals slower profits. It requires patience. You won't get rich overnight. Market hours are limited. You can't trade 24/7. Most traders in the US start here because it's familiar. But once you understand how slow it moves, you start looking for something faster. That's where our next contender comes in.
Forex 2. The Forex market, the world's biggest playground. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is where you trade currencies, USD versus Euro, GBP versus JPY, and so on. It's the largest market on Earth, moving over $7 trillion every single day. Pros. It opens 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. High liquidity, you can enter and exit trades easily. Leverage allows you to control big positions with small capital. Cons. Leverage can destroy accounts if you don't know what you're doing. Market moves fast. You can lose money faster than you make it. It's harder to predict since global news impacts currencies every minute. Forex is like the Formula One of trading, exciting, fast-paced, and dangerous for beginners. If you're interested in speed versus stability, I actually broke that down in detail in my video, Day Trading versus Swing Trading. Watch that after this. It'll help you figure out which style fits your personality better. Part 3. The crypto market, the Wild West of 2025. Now, the most controversial one, crypto. This market doesn't sleep. It trades 24/7. It's filled with opportunity and chaos. You can make insane returns in hours or lose everything overnight. Now, pros, 24/7 market, trade anytime. Massive volatility equals huge profit potential. The blockchain industry is still young. Early opportunities exist. Now, cons, unregulated, scams and rug pulls everywhere. Emotional roller coaster, too many traders FOMO in and panic sell. Requires deep research. Not every coin is worth trading. 2025 is an interesting year, though. AI trading bots, tokenized assets, and even Bitcoin ETFs have changed how serious traders view crypto. But don't mistake volatility for easy money. Most traders lose here because they don't understand market cycles or risk management. Part 4. The real secret. It's not the market, it's you. Here's the truth most YouTubers won't tell you. The market you choose doesn't make you profitable. Your discipline, patience, and consistency do. I've seen traders lose money in stocks, Forex, and crypto for the same reason, emotions. You don't need the perfect market. You need the right mindset. Master one market, stick with it, build your edge, and that's when trading becomes predictable and profitable. Remember, markets change, but human behavior doesn't. So, stock market versus Forex versus crypto. Which one wins? The answer is simple, the one you understand best. If you're still deciding your path, check out my previous video, Trading for Beginners. It'll give you the perfect foundation. And if you're confused between short-term and long-term trading styles, watch Day Trading versus Swing Trading next. It'll clear that up instantly. Don't forget to subscribe. I drop real, no BS trading videos every week to help you trade smarter, not harder. This is your year. Trade with purpose, not emotion. See you in the next one.